Hello again, this is Gretchen. I'm doing, it's Thursday and it is Data Bytes. We are going to talk about how to learn another language today. So we're going to talk about Mango language. So again, start with either your military OneSource or your Air Force portal page. And it is Mango like the fruit. So we're going to go ahead and launch that. It's going to tell us we're leaving military OneSource. That's okay. We are going to go ahead and sign up. So let's go ahead and get this. Oops, sorry. And we're going to make a password. As you see, a running trend here is you have to make a password for everything. We're going to agree that they are going to use my name, my address, postal code, things like that. And now we're going to pick a language. So say, I want to learn pirate. And yes, Mango language does have how to learn how to play pirates. This one is just like a fun one that they did, but there are over 70 languages that you can learn from here. But I'm just going to show you real quick because pirates are kind of a fun one to start with. So as you can see, there are 6 chapters on it. You click on your chapter. Make sure you have something that has speakers. And we're going to go ahead and skip that tutorial for a moment. You make sure you have speakers, and it's really helpful if you have something that can record you. The computer I'm on has speakers, but it does not have a way to record. So I won't be able to do one of the things. But let's go ahead and just play real quick. So we're going to do start with a captain's orders.
By the end of this chapter, you'll be able to easily participate in a conversation like this.
Blow me down, the ship's becalmed. Belay your carousing and haul wind smartly.
All me duty to you, Captain. The ship be now a-sailing at full speed.
Me hearty, a fine gentleman o' fortune be ye.
Aye, and finer still with a lass and some beauty, I fancy.
So as you can see, this one is of course really fun, but what it does teach you is how to speak in another language. You get to listen to them and you get to practice. So let's go ahead and start our first lesson just so you can see how it goes.
Say, oh my gosh, the ship isn't moving.
Blow me down, the ship's becalmed.
Okay, so here's the really cool thing. So if you have a speaker, you can take a voice comparison. I, of course, do not have a speaker with me. You can listen to it, and it's really nice if you do that. It shows you how to do the pronunciation, and you can replay it if you want to hear what it sounds like again. So we want to hear it again.
This is how you say, oh my gosh, the ship isn't moving.
Blow me down, the ship's becalmed.
Okay, so now we all know, blow me down, the ship's becalmed is how we would say, oh my gosh, the ship isn't moving.
Listen carefully.
Blow me down
means, oh my gosh. Let's hear that one more time.
Blow me down.
All right, and then we go to next.
Down
is an expression of shock or surprise. There are a lot of colorful pirate phrases that mean the same thing, and we'll learn a couple more soon. Be careful using it referring to someone else, though. To
blow a man down
means to kill him,
which we don't want to do.
Nice. Now practice saying, oh my gosh.
And this is where if you had a speaker, microphone, you can say, blow me down. So show the answer. There it is. So you go to the next.
Learn how to say,
and it continues.
Moving, stationary.
So.
Becalmed.
And you just.
Becalmed.
But okay, now try to say.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and mute it for a second. And it's really cool. And it goes through and it shows you how to learn a new language. And so say we're done with pirate, even though it is a really cool language to learn, you can go back to, oh, I'm sorry, here you go. Go back and you can find a new language. So for real, if you're wanting to, say you're going to be deployed to Italy, you can type in Italian, and there you go. And you can start learning Italian. The really awesome thing about this is there is so many languages that you can learn. And I believe they're working on eventually getting ASL, American Sign Language, on here as well, so you can learn how to sign as well. Very quick, easy, a lot of conversational, but it does teach you the grammar as well. So you will be able to converse in Japanese, Italian, Spanish, Arabic, all of these different languages that you may need in your career on a military base. Or if you have a kid who's in language learning at school, this is a great supplement to what they're learning at school. It helps them become more fluent, and it also helps them work on their pronunciation. It's very scary to say in another language in front of a whole classroom how to say something, but if you can do it just on your computer and you can listen to yourself and compare it to a native speaker, it's really awesome because it does teach you how to make your accents in the right way. All right, so that is really easy. Mango Languages. It's not a long one today, but it is a fun one. I wholly recommend you go on here and play around on it. There's some really cool things that you can find. Have a good day. See you next Thursday.